In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Grammarly on Google Docs. Many of us appreciate the helpful suggestions Grammarly provides, but there are times when you might want to work without its input. Maybe you're working on a creative piece and don't want any stylistic constraints, or perhaps you're just looking for a distraction-free writing environment. Whatever your reason, turning off Grammarly can be accomplished quickly and easily. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll want to begin by opening your browser and navigating to the Google Apps menu. This is the grid of squares you'll see in the top right-hand corner of your Google homepage. Click on it, and a mini window will appear with all of the Google applications available to you. From this menu, locate Google Docs. It's usually symbolized by a blue icon with a white page in it, fittingly representing all your document needs. Once you've located the Google Docs icon, go ahead and click on it. This will open up a new tab, taking you directly into the Google Docs environment. From here, you'll be able to either open an existing document or start a new one. And for our purposes, let's go ahead and click Blank Document. This selection will open up a fresh page ready for you to get to work. Now it's time to address the main task at hand, disabling Grammarly. On the top right portion of your blank document page, keep an eye out for the Grammarly icon. It's usually characterized by a green circle with a white G inside, symbolizing its integration with your Google Doc. Once you've located this icon, hover over it until you see a small menu pop up. In this menu, you'll see an option that looks like a power button. Clicking on this button will provide you with different Grammarly options. Among these options, you'll want to select Turn off Grammarly for this session. This will temporarily disable Grammarly's suggestions, allowing you to continue your work without its oversight for the duration of your document session. Alternatively, if you want to disable Grammarly for Google Docs more permanently, you can do so through the browser's extensions menu. Head over to your browser settings, open the extensions tab and find Grammarly in your list of installed extensions. Within the Grammarly extension settings, you'll see an option to disable its functionality specifically for Google Docs by toggling the setting off. This allows you more control over when and where you want to use Grammarly's features. And there you have it. With just a few simple clicks, you can now enjoy writing in Google Docs with or without Grammarly, depending on your needs. Whether you're focusing on a creative project, drafting a personal note, or simply wanting to enjoy some uninterrupted writing time, you're now equipped to decide when Grammarly's input is most useful for you. Happy writing!